Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana. So today we have a question where they are asking why is this sum equal to 1? Why when we add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 is equal to 1? So if you are in grade 10, you should know this, that this is a GP, right? This thing we all know, but I will tell you another reason that if you are not in grade 10, if you are a younger student, and you should know about this thing, why is this sum becoming 1? Okay, GP is what? GP is this a plus AR, it's comma, but we are adding it. Okay, a sum of GP, AR square up to so on infinite. When we add, we know first term is A, right? This is first term, and R is common ratio, right? So if you see here, first term is 1 by 2 and common ratio is 1 by 2, and this we know that sum of infinite terms of GP is A by 1 minus R, so it would become 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2, right? And you will get 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. But this is mathematically, but we should know and we should understand this thing as well. Okay, so let us suppose that you have suppose a circle. Okay, a complete circle. Okay, a chapati you can say, or anything, a bread you can say. Suppose you have a circle, so if I divide it in half, okay, so this is 1 by 2. Okay, this is first term of that series, right? Now plus, now I divide it in 1/4, so this is 1/4, right? Plus 1/4, right? Now I take 1/8, third term of the series, so this is 1/8 plus 1/8. Now you take fourth term of the series, that is 1/16, so you take 1/16, right? Now if you keep dividing it like that, and then 1 by 32 you take, and then 1 by 64 you take, and you keep going on like this, you will eventually come up to this line only. And the sum of all these things, because you are adding all this, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32, 1 by 64, right? Eventually this would become 1, right? That is why the sum of this thing is always 1, right? So you can do it like mathematically as well, but you understand this as well, right? So I hope you understood this now. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.